Students, in this session we are going to learn the new poem, that is Train. What is the name of poem? Trains. Okay. And who is the poet of this poem? James S. Tippett. Okay. Tippett. Okay. Poet means writer of the poem. Okay. First, I will read the poem and explain you. So, open your English textbook on page number 61. Over the mountain, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. See the first stanza. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come trains. Okay, students, have you traveled on a train? I know, answer is yes, because train is a very popular mode of transport. Okay. Over the mountain means, in this poem, the writer, the poet wants to tell about the train. Okay. And train over the mountain means train crosses, or we cross anything from a high place. Okay. Over the mountain, over the plains means train cross mountains, plains. Plains means what? A very large plain area. Okay. Over the mountains means train cross the mountains, plains, rivers. Okay. Everything crossed by trains. Here come the trains. Passing to mountain, plains and rivers, train comes to the station. Okay. Second stanza. Carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Carrying means traveling one place to another. Okay. Passengers. Passengers means what? Travelers or people who travels by the train. Okay. Train, bus, aeroplane, etc. Carrying the passengers means travelers. Carrying mails. Mails means a letter or something which sent by the post office. Okay. Bringing their precious load. Precious means valuable. Loads, gifts, which thing we send through the courier, or nowadays we order from the online shopping like Amazon, which all the things carrying one city to another city through with the help of trains. All that things. Understood? This is a very nice example for you. Which things we ordered online, all that received firstly train from the other cities to our city. Understood? Without fail. Without fail means always, continuously that process is going on. Okay. Trains travel continuously. Okay. See the third stanza. 1,000 freight cars on rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. Okay. Freight cars means carries goods, does not carry passengers. Here is another type of trains which carries heavy load or heavy cars, bicycles or heavy things, goods. Okay. Not carrying passengers. Okay. And all the rushing on through day and darkness means from beginning of the day till ending of the day, through dusk and dawn. Here, poet want to show us how train travels continuously, non-stop through these lines. Means from day to darkness, dawn to dusk. Means dawn means time of beginning, very beginning morning, and dusk means time of evening. Means continuously trains travels for us. Again last stanza, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. Means these trains moves through mountains, plains, rivers continuously. Understood? They carry passengers, means travelers, heavy load and mails also. Understood? In short, poet wants to tell that train help us in our day-to-day life to travel one place to another. For the passengers, carrying our loads, means heavy loads, and mails, means our letters also. At the same time, poet wants to say that train travels continuously day to night, night to day, from mountains, plains and rivers. Understood? Here are some new words. That is dawn means early morning when sun rises. Dusk, time of day when it start becoming dark. Freight cars, railway or railroads for carrying goods. Loads, heavy things. Passengers, people on a train, bus or aeroplane. Precious, precious means valuable. Without fail means always. These new words you have to write in your notebook. Here are some rhyming words. Rhyming words are mountains, plains, rivers, friends, passengers, no, fail, mail. Okay? Like that you have to find the rhyming words also. And read this poem and send me the audio. Thank you.